All right, everybody, I'm back out here again with the Aircus, the mighty Aircus. I just got done doing a couple of compass calibrations on it, and so we're going to see. Here it is in all its glory. Yay. Okay, so it says I have 14 satellites. There is the video button, so let's get that started. Look at that. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, this thing. Oh. Okay, I was trying out the headless mode. It seems to work somewhat. Oh, this thing, man. Oh, listen to the way that thing just... God, this thing just will not sit still. Oh, this thing. Boy, oh boy. Take your eye off of this thing for one, then you might get your head chopped off. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let me move it out here a little bit before I decide to change the... God, it's just so wonky. Oh. I think I paid $138 for this thing. God, just... Oh my God. I don't know what mode that is. Is that some kind of return to home or something? I don't know. If you just let it go, okay? Let me see how many satellites I got. I think it says 16. If you just let it go, it'll seem to hover okay. Like that. It's just sitting there. But as soon as you start trying to fly it around any, it goes all nuts. Okay, this last little minute here is the best the damn thing ever flew. Okay, for me anyway. Ugh. It's not the Aircus, it's the Pucus. Oh, gee Louise, sit still. God. Okay, let me try the... What is this now? Okay, that's the altitude hold mode, but look at it. It just, look at it. It just drifts uncontrollably. That's with the GPS turned off. Look at it. I'll turn the GPS back on. Now it's going to try to level itself and straighten itself out. Boy, what a load of crap. It says I got 39% battery left. You know, by the time you get it straightened out to fly decently, the battery's dead. It's just, words just can't describe this fucking crap. I was planning on sending this to Ryan Duvall, but I don't think I'm going to. I'll send him something better than this. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, this is why I came here, okay? This is why I came here, because I knew if this thing started going apeshit, it would be stopped by one of these fences. I'm surrounded by these fences except for over there. That thing just went out of its mind and just ran right into that fence. So, you know what I say to this thing, right? Hold on, let me get my other camera. You know, I really, really, really hate throwing $138 in the garbage can. I really do. But this thing is just a big pile of shit. Okay? It's a piece of shit. Plain and simple. It is a piece of garbage. JJRC ought to be ashamed of themselves for selling this piece of garbage. So there you have it. The JJRC piece of fucking shit. What a piece of fucking shit this is. Get my goddamn SD card out of there. Popped out already. Who gives a shit? Fucking. Here's the battery. 130 fucking something dollars right in a fucking toilet. There's what the battery looked like inside. There's the phone holder. Believe me, Ryan, you wouldn't have wanted this thing. Believe me. My damn mic shut down. My iPhone mic. It quit working. Well, at least I got the batteries. The AA's are still good. This thing is... Boy, this is so fucking aggravating. Honest to Christ. Ugh. Well, there you go. There's the Aircus. Adios, amigo. Alright, guys. Have a nice day.